Do make it visually attractive and interactive. For instance, use the filters, make it look nicer. Choose a nice audio, or you can also use your original audio. Just remember, this doesn't mean you have to overuse it, just make sure you're having fun and it's clear for everyone. Don't make it private. The whole goal of Instagram Reels is that you can reach a wider audience. If your account is private, then your reel won't appear on the Explore page. Do use a nice cover. This is the most important thing because the cover is the first thing that the viewer sees. So you can upload a nice cover image from your camera, or you can choose one cover image from the video itself. Don't make it into advertisement. We see a lot of ads on Instagram, so the last thing we want to see is another ad. Just make sure to be yourself and provide unique contents. If your video is shot in various shots, do align them. You have the button Align right on Instagram that helps you make a smoother transition. Don't use a trend that is not relevant to your brand. Just make sure to be unique and provide new contents and even tutorials or behind the scenes, something that your audience has never seen before. I hope this was interesting for you to make your own reels. If you want to learn more about social media for events, don't forget to subscribe to Domestika to learn more about my online course.